Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best floor lamps that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Govee RGBIC Floor Lamp Basic. The Govee RGBIC Floor Lamp is a modern and stylish addition to any room. With its dynamic RGBIC color technology, you can customize each segment color based on nature, festival, and emotion, and the floor lamp will display multicolor effects simultaneously. It also features smart control with voice commands via Alexa and Google Assistant, as well as the Govee Home app. You can sync it with music to elevate your movie, party, or listening session. With 16 million DIY colors and 58 dynamic scene modes, you can explore your favorite one or pick one for room decor. The unique shape and weight design allow you to move this standing floor lamp in your house freely. Moving on, at number 4, we have the LED floor lamp with simple design. The LED floor lamp with simple design by Ambimall is a great addition to any room in the house. Its elegant and modern design makes it easy to place in any room, and its white shade with stable black base helps to brighten up the room. This floor lamp is perfect for working and reading, and its slender design allows it to position well near love seats, sofas, armchairs, side tables, and more. The lamp has a pedal switch to turn it on and off, making it convenient and easy to use. Assembly of this lamp is quick and easy, taking only 10 minutes from start to finish, and no tools are required. At number 3, we have the Booniture Bamboo Corner Floor Lamp. The Booniture Bamboo Floor Lamp brings a charming retro style to your room, with its natural bamboo legs and a linen shade that blends well with many home designs like modern or rustic. This lamp is built with quality materials, including a safe UL-listed E26 socket that works with various bulb types up to 60W, giving you flexibility in lighting. It provides a soft, warm light perfect for reading or relaxing without harsh overhead brightness. Plus, its space-saving design fits neatly in corners or beside furniture, making it ideal for small spaces without sacrificing brightness. At number 2, we have the SUNMORY LED floor lamp with remote control. SUNMORY LED. Remote floor lamp is a modern torchiere corner lamp perfect for your living room or bedroom. With stepless dimming and color temperature adjustment, this 69 tall standing lamp provides super bright 32W 3000 LM lighting, suitable for reading, working, or creating a cozy atmosphere. The remote control allows you to switch between 4 lighting modes effortlessly. Its rotatable lamp head and sturdy base ensure you can direct light where needed without safety concerns. Additionally, this energy-efficient lamp with a long lifespan offers vivid colors and easy assembly. And finally, at number 1, we have the PARTPHONER floor lamp with shelves. PARTPHONER Shelf Floor. Lamp is a versatile and practical lighting solution for your living room, bedroom, office, or any space that needs extra light and storage. With an open top design, this lamp sheds more light on your room. The lamp comes with a 9-watt, 800-lumen energy-saving LED bulb that has 3 color temperatures. You can choose different color temperatures by pulling the pull chain twice. The lamp has 3 tiers of storage and display space, allowing you to organize and display your items such as books, plants, photos, and more. Made of sturdy wood, the lamp can hold up to 50 lbs. It is easy to assemble in just 10 minutes with the tools and instruction manual provided. The lamp is a perfect gift for your loved ones. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.